The Organic Dilemma, Unlocking the Truth About Healthy Eating. Should you go organic? It's a question that haunts the grocery aisles, especially as food prices soar. As a health-conscious individual, you might wonder if it's worth splurging on organic produce for better nutrition. But here's the twist. Not all organic foods are created equal, and some might not be worth the extra cash. I, a curious nutrition enthusiast, sought clarity from a doctor who shed light on the organic enigma. Let's dive into the facts and myths, shall we? What's the deal with organic? Organic food isn't just a trendy buzzword. It's a regulated term with specific criteria. Dr. Daniel Atkinson, clinical lead at Treated, clarifies a common misconception. Organic doesn't always mean pesticide-free. Organic foods may contain pesticides, but typically in smaller quantities or derived from natural sources. Moreover, while organic foods often pack a higher nutritional punch, non-organic foods still offer nutritional value. The U.S. Department of Agriculture's labeling rules are crucial. A 100% organic label means the product is entirely organic, while organic indicates 95% organic ingredients. This distinction matters when making informed choices. Prioritizing organic. A smart shopper's guide. Organic foods can be pricier, so strategic shopping is key. Dr. Atkinson suggests focusing on organic fruits and veggies you eat skin on, like strawberries, peaches, spinach, and apples, as pesticides can linger on the skin even after washing. Conversely, thick-skinned produce like bananas, avocados, and oranges might not need to be organic, as their outer layer provides natural protection. Animal products, including eggs, meat, and fish, are another organic consideration. Synthetic hormones, antibiotics, and feed additives used in conventional farming may impact nutritional value. Organic animal products are often produced with higher welfare standards, appealing to those concerned with livestock ethics. The Dirty Dozen, a pesticide-aware shoppers list. Pan UK's Dirty Dozen list is a game-changer for health-conscious shoppers. It highlights fruits and veggies most likely to contain residues of multiple pesticides, which could affect your health. The list includes peaches, nectarines, grapes, strawberries, cherries, spinach, apples, Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, tomatoes, apricots, lettuce, and beans with pods. These are the items you might want to buy organic. The Clean 15, a pesticide-free paradise. On the flip side, the Environmental Working Group's Clean 15 list showcases produce with the lowest pesticide residues. These include pineapples, sweet corn, avocados, papaya, onions, sweet peas, asparagus, cabbage, watermelon, cauliflower, bananas, mangoes, carrots, mushrooms, and kiwis. If you're budget conscious, these are the foods you can confidently buy non-organic. So, there you have it, a practical guide to navigating the organic aisle. But the debate doesn't end here. What's your take on organic shopping? Do you prioritize certain foods over others? Share your thoughts below, and let's keep the conversation going.